Hey guys, it's Nikki here, and I just wanted to show you today my three-part spring decor easy Dollar Tree DIYs. I'm going to show you a grass moss charger that you can use on your table for Easter decor. I'm also going to show you an easy jar to create that everybody's going crazy for, that right now in stores are super expensive, and we created it for $3. And I'm also going to show you a cute little farmhouse scale. So stay tuned. So hey guys, the first one I'm going to show you today is probably the most daunting one. It's the Dollar Tree Grass Moss DIY Chargers. So some of the supplies that I use from Dollar Tree are the grass moss, and I used about 3.5 bags only because I wanted the plate to be full. Now I'll show you in another clip that I didn't fulfill all of the middle of the plate. I literally just covered the edges. I also used a hot glue gun and chargers from Dollar Tree. That's how you make those chargers. But I love mine. And it was really, it was easy, but it was also daunting. But look at them, guys. They are so cute. I love the way that grass plays against the plates. And I definitely love the way it looks on my table. And just to see the few little aspects around the table of that grass, amazing. Now, on to the next DIY. I cannot pronounce the name of these jars. They are called apothecary. Apothecary. I don't know. They're called jars that I love. That's what they're called. And this is how I styled the jars in my kitchen. I actually have 3 different sizes of the jars. And so I was so happy to find all 3 different sizes from Dollar Tree. And you'll see in that collage photo of all the supplies that I used. I used 3 of the different size jars from Dollar Tree. I used the round jar that had the tops, and the tops I actually used to create the tops for the jars. And I used the Dollar Tree candlestick holders, all glass, super simple. The only thing I used was E6000 and hot glue, and that was it. I literally put E6000 around the candlestick holder. I added hot glue to adhere it to the glass a little bit better, and I stuck it together. I put a book on top to make sure that it would give it some weight, so that way when it was... So once the apothecary jars are completely dried and they're stuck together, this is how they'll turn out. Now you can decorate them for Easter or spring decor, or even add candy, or for any holiday that you would like. But I totally love the way these came out, guys. Please tag me and let me know if you make these jars, because I would love to see how you style them. Now, on to the pied de resistance of this Dollar Tree DIY triple video. So all you need is a few simple items from Dollar Tree. You need a base, which you could use a jewelry box like I did, a candle jar lid, a scale clock from Dollar Tree if you would like, and a jewelry tray. I added Mod Podge to the base of the board. I put 2 coats. I let it dry. Then I added the acrylic paint. Then I wound up printing out a scale face because I didn't buy one. And I used the candle top from the jar. I just added a few details, nothing too serious. I had to make my own arrow because, of course, I didn't buy the clock face. And so I cut that out and added that to the middle of the clock face. And voila, nothing too hard. I literally pasted the clock face on the lid. I adhered with E6000 and a little hot glue the candle oil burner to the base once it was completely dry. I pushed it further to the back, and that was really all you needed to do. And once those pieces were dry, I added the tray on the top, and yes, it does have a K in it. I added the tray on the top of the oil burner to make it appear to look like an actual scale, guys. So easy. Really, really so easy, so simple. Yes, it was a little intimidating at first when I seen everybody making them, but I knew I could do it because I've created some other amazing things. Pat on the back. But look how she turned out, guys. She is amazing. I love the way she looks in my kitchen. I added some Target lemons, and that's my, clean area on the kitchen counter with my apothecary jar. That's the left side. That was it. That was so simple. So I hope you love this trio of a lifestyle DIY Dollar Tree DIYs.